for breaking news coming in. A claim has been made by the Aam Aadmi Party. Aam Aadmi Party has that there are ED raids at Amanatullah Khan's residence, and he also goes on to claim that Enforcement Directorate will in fact arrest him soon. Aam Aadmi Party MP has in fact posted on X that there is an ED team at his residence. He has said, "मेरे घर अभी ED के लोग मुझे गिरफ्तार करने के लिए पहुंचे हैं." Michael Lee Batosh joins us live on the broadcast. Batosh, it is the claim of the Aam Aadmi Party that there's a team of Enforcement Directorate at the residence of Amanatullah Khan. Give us more details.
Well, as far as the claim of Amanatullah Khan is concerned, he has said that ED officials are at his residence and they will arrest him. In fact, he's put out two posts on social media. One, in fact, shows an official standing at his door, and they are in fact preventing him from carrying out searches, and there is no word from that person. But his wife says that if anything happens to her mother, then she will in fact drag the official and the concerned organization to the court. And he in fact says that he had sought 4 weeks time before appearing before the Enforcement Directorate. He has just put out another video in which he has said that ED officials are carrying out raids and searches at his premise, and he said that this is just in ruse of carrying out these searches, but the real idea is to arrest him. The last time that when Enforcement Directorate had searched his premises was way back in November 2022, but that was case pertaining to the Waqf Board irregularities. And in April this year, he was questioned for nearly 14 hours. When he was questioned for 14 hours, Aam Aadmi Party claimed that he has been arrested, but later ED in fact let him off, and there was a complaint that ED had filed against him for non-compliance of someone. He managed to get bail in that case, and ED in fact had been probing him for a long time. Now the case that in fact is registered, the money laundering case that has been registered against him stems from two FIRs. One is an FIR that has been filed by the anti-corruption branch of the Vigilance Department of Delhi, and the one that has been filed by the CBI. What has been said by the ED is that as a Waqf Board chairman, he made some irregular appointments in the Waqf Board, and second is that he rented out premises of Waqf Board, and these premises were then then sold off. Now, Amanatullah Khan has always claimed his innocence, but ED's investigation showed that there could be money laundering worth at least 32 crore rupees. Some individuals close to Amanatullah Khan have been arrested. They have been first questioned, then subsequently arrested. A prosecution complaint filed against him. There is no prosecution complaint against him, but he has been under scanner of the Enforcement Directorate for a long time. Having said that, ED has not officially said whether their officials are at his residence, why these searches are being carried out, but Amanatullah Khan has in fact put out a post on social media claiming that searches are going on, but the whole idea is to arrest him in this case.
Well, Bhakto, stay on with us. We have a reaction coming in from Amanatullah Khan. Listen in.
और ईडी वाले मेरे घर पे सर्च वारंट के नाम पर मुझे अरेस्ट करने के लिए आए हैं। मेरी मदर इन लॉ, उनको कैंसर है, अभी 4 दिन पहले उनका ऑपरेशन हुआ है, वो भी मेरे घर पर हैं और मैंने इनको लिखा भी था और हर नोटिस का जवाब मैंने इनको दिया है। जब ये मुझे नोटिस कर रहे हैं तो सर्च वारंट के नाम पर सिर्फ इनका मकसद मुझे गिरफ्तार करना है, हमारे कामों को रोकना है। पिछले 2 साल से मुस्तकिल ये लोग मुझे परेशान कर रहे हैं, फर्जी मुकदमात लगा रहे हैं, आए दिन कोई ना कोई उलझन परेशानी खड़ी कर रहे हैं और मुझे ही नहीं, मेरी पूरी पार्टी को। मुख्यमंत्री जी जेल के अंदर हैं, अभी मुख्यमंत्री जेल से आए हैं, संजय सिंह जेल से आए हैं और सत्येंद्र जैन जेल में हैं, और अब ये मुझे गिरफ्तार करना चाहते हैं। सिर्फ इनका मकसद है कि हम लोगों को तोड़ना और हमारी पार्टी को तोड़ना।
The reaction coming from Amanatullah Khan. In fact, he has stated that the Enforcement Directorate team is in fact at his residence currently. Let me in fact take you through the tweet that he has made. This tweet has been made at 6:29 a.m. in the morning, and he has said, "मेरे घर अभी ED के लोग मुझे गिरफ्तार करने के लिए पहुंचे हैं." The claim that has been made in fact by Amanatullah Khan, saying that he will be arrested by the agency. Let me again go across to Bhaktosh Singh, who continues to be live with us. Bhaktosh, he's under the scanner in Waqf Board case. Remember, he was also questioned in April earlier this year, and that time also he has said that all the allegations are baseless. Give us more details.
Well, as far as case is concerned, the case in fact has two parts to it. One part pertains to the properties that were rented out, the Delhi Waqf Board properties that were rented out. First they were rented out, and then subsequently there were allegations by the ED that some of the properties were also were sublet and then they were sold off. The other part is pertains to the jobs that were given. These were irregular jobs, and then there was allegation that that rules were not followed, the norms were not followed. Now, he was not named in the charge sheet that was filed by the ED, but they were in fact very serious charges that were leveled in the prosecution complaint. One of the charges that were leveled is that from the proceeds of crime, the people said to be close to Amanatullah Khan, they in fact purchased properties in and around Okhla, his constituency, and these properties market value and circle rate were kept down so that his direct involvement does not come in this entire LS scam. He was questioned. His premises were raided around 1.5 to 2 years back. At that point of time, he was also questioned. Now, Amanatullah Khan is said to be very close to Arvind Kejriwal, who is presently in judicial custody. At that point of time, when he was in fact searched, he came and met Arvind Kejriwal, and in April he was in fact called in for questioning only when the Delhi High Court had asked him to join the investigation. After nearly 14 to 15 hours of questioning, he was let out by the enforcement directorate. We have to wait and see whether another money laundering case has been filed against him, or whether these searches are being carried out in the same case.
All right, Bhabtosh, keep tracking those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. We have another breaking news coming in from the